Hello crypto traders, welcome back to my YouTube video. In this video, I am going to share something that are fact in the cryptocurrency era. Yes, you have already got the experience how you can start trading on different exchanges like Binance, MEXC or something another. But now it's time to get advanced and you can also get in this video about how you will start your trading bot with crypto seller on the Telegram bot. I am going to share each and everything, but before that, I am also going to give you review that you are also going to use here about the Maxi tube because Maxi is also going to be used in this advanced tech that I am going to revealing out. So if you are new on the channel for the first time, you can subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. This video contain educational purpose content. We are not your financial advisor. You can get all this link in my video description. You can do your proper research and then you can easily go ahead. Next, you can also check about their official that is here like on the Maxi, where you can easily create the account successfully and you can analyze the crypto market and then you can also get new startups, how you are going to get their MX token and something another. But what we are going to start reading, you can easily download the Maxi in your mobile app too. And for that, you can also create the account, mean you need account for Maxi, and that is very simple here. For the account creation, you can also go for sign up. There you can put email password and then you can also enter the referral code and then you can also put here after accept the terms and condition you can easily create the account on Maxi. After creating the account and you can log into the platform, you can easily come to your other mean Maxi official page and then you can also get this is your profile. After that, you can also come here at the last API management where you can also check how to create Maxi API key that will also be findable and you can easily open it. And then you can also give the account details. There is also trader with trade. You can also get our complete details here and then you can also create 20 IPs and then you can accept the terms and condition in this so you can also manage or create the IP on Maxi. So how actually we are working with the Maxi and with this that is the bot trading with crypto sellers. So let's get started into the app. So after coming into the application like Telegram where you can search the bot username I will provide in my video, you can easily click on the start option and then you can also select the language English or another what you understand you can easily select here. Next there are some prompt have been given like there is subscribe mean you are going to okay and agree the terms and condition. So we can also use the promo code or you want to get a subscription. There are different plans and we are going to using here our promo code and there I can also put my like promo code that will give us some duration for trial purpose. And after that you can see here time has been mentioned that we have been allocated some time in which we can also join the group as we can also be one of the member where we can also get update, we can discuss them. And next after coming back on the boat you can easily use menu option. When you will come into the menu then you can also select here or a complete option mean your plans you want to start your trading through bot. Then you can also come into the API management that I have shown you and you can configure it and these are the configure setting. You can easily create here your API in the MEXC exchange. You can put your random name and then you can also accept the terms and condition. Click on the API and this is the secret key. You need to copy it and after coming to the bot you can also paste and send on it after clicking on the setup and then you can also go ahead. This is requiring the secret key. Basically this is something that you need to do the step to connect your Maxi with the bot and then your assets are going to be used during the trading. When you will make profit this will be automatically added. So in this way you can also copy these keys and then you can also set up. After that you can also send it and then you can also check about that it has been corrected successfully. Now
you can easily check that your balance has been updated here. You can easily check out. If you come in the prompt, there are given your statistics too, as there is also analytics, or you want to go for it further. These are your balance details, how much available in our account, you can check here. And next, if you want to go for trading, then you can also select. These are the three pairs in BTC with the USDC. There is also another cash with the USDT, so we can select one of them and we want to start our trading. We can put the number of amount and then you can also proceed to the next. This is the about percentage, how much, and this is also going to be next. And then you can also proceed. All these tools are here. You just need to come over to get experience in the fast execution with the Telegram bot that is here. So basically these are the steps that you have to understand, and you can also get your directly fund from the MEXC exchange that has been connected to this exchange. I hope you understand everything about this port, how you are going to start buying, selling, and you can also come back. This is very simple step, everyone can understand. If you are seasonal trader or you are crypto, you can easily go ahead. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Till then, goodbye.